For quantity takeoff of 3D model in Navisworks, go to Home, Quantification. Now go to Project Setup and select a project setup. So I will select uniformat project setup. Next, metric. Next, finish. This is uniformat project setup. If I want to quantification of slab, then select the slab, go to selection tree and family type is floor. Okay, then go to model takeoff and take off to new catalog item. Okay, then select next slab and family type floor, fine, and model takeoff to wiring code. And in this way select the next slab, model takeoff, wiring code, slab takeoff, wiring code. Now go to export and export quantities to Excel. Okay. You can see in the Excel sheet all the quantification parameter shows here, area, volume, etc. In this way you can quantification any 3D element in Navisworks.